Imagine getting the most powerful computer in the world for the price of a budget smartphone. That is exactly what Apple is planning for 2026. The Mac Mini just got its biggest redesign in 15 years, but the upcoming M5 version is about to change everything. If you thought the M4 model was fast, you're not ready for what is coming next. We are diving into the latest leaks that prove the Mac Mini M5 will be the best value computer Apple has ever made. The Mac Mini has always been the entry point into the Mac ecosystem. For years, it looked exactly the same. It was a silver square that did the job, but didn't look very modern. That all changed at the end of 2024. Apple finally gave us a tiny powerhouse with a brand new design. It is smaller than ever and packs a serious punch. But technology moves fast. Even though the M4 Mac Mini is incredible, the M5 version is already on the horizon. Let's talk about the design first. Apple took nearly 15 years to change the look of the Mac Mini. Because of this, you should not expect a new look for the M5 model. The 2026 version will look identical to the current one. This means it will still be that ultra-compact box that fits in the palm of your hand. It also means the power button will likely stay on the bottom. Some people don't like that placement, but it seems like it is staying for the long run. The real magic happens inside the machine. The M5 chip is going to be the star of the show. We are expecting a nice jump in CPU performance. Early leaks suggest a 10 to 15% increase over the M4. This might not sound like a huge leap, but remember that the M4 is already a screamer when it comes to speed. Where you will really feel the difference is in the graphics. The GPU performance is expected to jump by a massive 45%. This is thanks to new AI enhancers similar to what we see in the latest iPhone chips. For users who need even more power, the M5 Pro will be a beast. We are hearing about new core configurations that will make this tiny box faster than many expensive desktop towers. You could see up to 16 cores in the top-end version. This makes it a perfect choice for video editors, 3D designers, and programmers. It is hard to believe that much power can fit in such a small device. Storage and RAM are always big topics with Apple. The good news is that 16 gigabytes of RAM is now the standard starting point. We expect this to stay the same for the M5. However, there's a big hope that Apple will